Letter to my dear son, on debt, a tool, not a trap. My pride, my joy, my happiness, today I write to you about one of the most misunderstood forces in finance, debt. A word that makes men tremble. A word that destroys families, but also, son, a word that builds dynasties, because debt is not good or evil, it is neutral. A hammer in your hand can build a house, or break a skull. The tool doesn't decide, you do. Son, there will come a time when someone offers you easy money. A credit card with a high limit, a car loan with low monthly payments, a chance to buy now, pay later. And in that moment, you must ask yourself one question: is this debt my master or my servant? Because here's what they don't tell you. Debt is a chain when you're buying consumption, but debt is wings when you're buying assets. The difference is not the debt itself, it's what you do with it. Most men spend their lives enslaved to debt, working to pay for things they bought years ago, things they don't even remember, things that brought them 5 minutes of pleasure and 20 years of payments. Son, that is not living. That is existing. That is slavery with a smile. But the wealthy, they understand something profound. Other people's money used wisely builds your freedom. Banks loan you money at 4% so you can buy an asset that returns 10%. That's 6% difference? That's your profit. That's your leverage. That's how empires are built. Son, I'm not telling you to be reckless. I'm not telling you to gamble. I'm telling you to be strategic, to be educated, to understand that the same tool that destroys fools empowers the wise. The man who fears all debt will build slowly, and that's okay. But the man who masters good debt, he builds empires, and the man who falls for bad debt, he builds nothing but regret. That, my son, is the truth they will never teach you in school. But I will. Debt is not your enemy. Ignorance is. Fear is. Impulsiveness is. But debt itself? It's just a tool. And every tool can build or destroy, depending on the hand that holds it. So I ask you, son, what will you build? Will you use debt to finance fleeting pleasures that fade like smoke? Or will you use it to construct a foundation that lasts for generations? Choose wisely, study deeply, move carefully, and never, never borrow for consumption what you wouldn't pay cash for. Remember, the poor borrow to look rich, the middle class borrowed to be comfortable, the wealthy borrow to become wealthier. Know which one you are. Know which one you want to be. And if this letter has opened your eyes, if you see debt differently now than you did 6 minutes ago, then I ask you this: secure your place here. Press that button. Ring that bell, because the next letter I write may be the one that changes your life forever, and I would hate for you to miss it. These truths are not taught in classrooms, son. They are whispered from father to son. And I will keep whispering as long as you keep listening.